Put your lab coat on, let's go! There's so much fun for us to know. First we wonder, ooh, then we question, why? Then we predict what might be, give it a try, then we test it, go! Then we observe, look, then we conclude and write it in the book. Let's find out, that's what science is about. Wonder, question, predict, test, finding answers is the best. Float or sink, let's drop it in. Magnets pulling, watch them spin. Plants that grow up to the sun. Science, science, so much fun! Let's find out, that's what science is about. Observe it close and you will see the how and what and why could be. At the volcano, pour it slow. A little more, a little more.
Eruption! Foam to spare!
White bubbly foam in everyone's hair. Let's find out. Covered in foam, we laugh and shout.
Results noted. Write it down.
The messiest scientist in town. Let's find out, that's what science is